what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Bralynne. If you're new here, welcome. Hi. I haven't uploaded in so long, but I'm back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my heatless ponytail tutorial. I literally just slick my hair back and put a wraparound pony on. Everything will be linked in the description box below. I have an Amazon storefront link for the hair and the products I use on my hair. And yeah, okay, so I already had my ponytail on, but I took it off because my bobby pins were literally piercing my soul. So I took it off and I'm going to redo it. So I'm going to show you guys what I do to put it on basically. But the beginning process of the ponytail is slicking your hair back. For my edges, I use Eco Boost and just a little edge brush. And then to slick my hair back, I use the green Eco Gel. And I put it into a little bun. My hair is in a ponytail, and then I braid my ponytail and wrap it into a smaller bun. So my bun isn't just like a twist around bun, it's a braided bun. And the reason why I do a braided bun is just because I feel like it's more sturdy. But to each their own. I've done the twist bun before and my ponytail has fallen out of my head. So I braid my bun. I don't know why it makes a difference, but it does to me. But what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take your wraparound pony. Mine is in the shade 1B, it's 32 inches body wave, and it's synthetic. I get mine from the beauty supply, but I actually found the Amazon link for it. So it's in my storefront, which will be linked in the description, or on my Instagram website, you can see it. But basically, the reason why I like this specific wraparound pony is because one, it has a comb on this end, so you're gonna like shove that into the bun. But then this part, like where the tracks are on here, it's not that long. Every other wraparound pony I've seen is like really long, so it becomes like pointy on your head. I hate that shit. This is the perfect wraparound pony because then at the end, they have like a separation. I don't know if you can see. It's like a separation. And this is the part that wraps around the base of the bun, so it looks good, like looks sleek, you know? Like when you go get your pony, like I don't get my ponytails done by a professional because when they do it, one, they put heat, and two, she did it so tight in the top of my, she like put a bun and then she slicked my edges back like into the bun, if that makes sense. There was a bald spot in the middle of my head because of how tight she did the ponytail. I was like, never again am I gonna let anyone touch my hair. Unless you're putting a wig on or, yeah. Because I cut my own hair, I straighten my own hair, and I don't even straighten my hair anymore. So there's no real reason for that. But yeah, I don't let people touch my hair because I've just been scarred and it's, I don't need no more hair trauma. I'm trying to grow. Anyway, this is the reason why I like this specific wraparound pony, just because it mimics a ponytail the best in every way. Like it is the easiest thing. Like I'm gonna show you. So what you want to do, make sure it's combed out. Mine is brand new out the pack, but it's not, I literally just took off my head, so it's kind of like tangly. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this comb, you're gonna put the comb piece at the top of your bun. Oh my god, my battery's running out, so hopefully I can do this, but put it at the top of your bun, like so, and press it in there. You're gonna take the rest of the ponytail and wrap it around, hence the name wraparound pony. But what you're gonna do, the reason like mine stay, you're gonna take a bobby pin, and you're gonna pin it into the bun on the side. But then you're gonna continue to wrap. So continue to wrap around. So now you should be at the top of your bun again. But what you're gonna do, take another bobby pin, pin the left side down. And just find somewhere to like shove through the bun. And then you just keep wrapping around. But soon you'll get to the end. And the end is where you grab like the base of the ponytail basically. So I have, this is like that piece I showed you guys before. It's the base of the ponytail. You're still wrapping, and then you just wrap. And you want to make sure this piece of hair is like straight when you go around, because you want it to lay flat. So you just wrap this around the base of the ponytail, and everything should be feeling secure at this point. Like you should not feel loose, nothing. But if your bobby pins are poking your head, I suggest you take it off and then fix it, because you will have a headache if you go outside with bobby pins stabbing your brain, because that's what was just happening to me. So I took my ponytail off. But you just wrap and wrap and wrap until you get to the bottom, or to the end I should say, and then you'll have a little piece of hair Take your last bobby pin and tuck it wherever it ends. Oh my gosh. Ugh, that bobby pin is not going in. But I got a new bobby pin. I'm just gonna pin. And ta-da! Ponytail is on. Ponytail is cute. And then just make sure whatever, because you might have some frizzies up here from wrapping around your pony. Just get a brush, slick it down, get your little edge brush, slick it down, and you'll be good. She should be sturdy. She should not be falling off your head. Make sure you bobby pin it. Literally pin it. And then if you feel like this part's gonna fall off, spray it with the Got TV spray. Because I usually do that, but I just don't feel like doing it right now. But yeah, that'll help secure everything, lock it in place. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me doing a heatless ponytail tutorial. This is literally my go-to look because I don't like doing my hair and all I have to do is slick my hair and put it in a bun, call it a day. I hope this video helped you guys and I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more videos and then comment down below anything else you want to see or if you have any questions for me. Make sure to follow my other social medias like my Instagram. Keep up with me there. I post there the most. My Instagram is Bralynne Hughes. My Twitter is Bralynne J. Hughes, and then my other social media platforms will be linked down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.